Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and dive with practical in this tutorials. In a case someone who has hacked your Gmail ID, stolen your Gmail ID, or unfortunately you have lost your device, due to that you have lost your Gmail ID also. Now quickly you would like to recover your Gmail ID. Yes, this can be possible when you provide enough information for Google to be sure that this account is really yours. Of course, we will have to provide some sufficient informations by answering as many questions as you can, and of course, once again, your account will be yours. So how then? Right now, see the today, unfortunately, one my viewer who has lost his device and who has recommended that I recover this Gmail ID because it's very urgent. So let's see quickly. Yes, while I especially recover this ID, I decide to record it also on a screen. So let's see now. See guys, here this is ID. If I go for try again, and here we will have to enter this Gmail ID, and upon as we see here now, it's saying that we have a option that's a try another way, otherwise you will have to enter the password. We don't know password, so simply just we will click here try another way. Now as we see here, it's taking a few moments. Fine, of course I will wait it. Now it's asking that we will have to enter this particular number. Right now urgently we don't have, so just we will click here I don't have my number. So now it's saying couldn't sign in you. So you have to do nothing, don't worry. Simply we will have to come in the Play Store, and here what you have to do right here guys, in Play Store search bar, here we will have to write quick QUI, and right here quick browser. As we see, quick browser and smart and easy, just we will hint on, and upon as we see here total capacity of this for installation is 22 MB, so we will hit this ones to install it. So right now it has started to install now. Fine. On the other hand, what we will do guys here, simply we will come in a Google product, and upon of course we will have a Google browser. So just we will hold, and of course we will come on a iDot. Now we have of course tap on a permission, you will be landed here, navigate the locations. So just we will click on here, we will click disable the use precise location, and upon of course we will go for don't allow anything. Fine, we have done it. Now we will go for back, and once again we will go for back, and once again we will come in a Chrome browser that is also product of Google. So just we will hold, we will click on a iDot, and upon of course here just we will click on a permission, and upon of course we will go for navigate the location, we will click on a don't allow anyway. So click on allow, and upon enable and disable the use precise location, and upon we will click don't allow anyway. Now we will back, and thereupon what we will do guys here, simply once more time we will back, and notification management just we will have to deny. So it's already click disable don't allow, and upon what we will do guys here now, yes we will have to back, and sorry just we will come the Chrome to especially here. Now we will come on this once again this Google browser, and upon we will look at here open by default setups, we will make it disable, we will go for enable, and upon once again we will back, and we will come on this now on a Chrome browser, hit click on iDot, and upon of course we will here click on a open by defaults setups, we will enable, and we will make it disables. Fans, it should be disabled guys. Now what we will do guys here, simply we will come on a this browser where it is. There's a quick browser. Let's see where it is. We will have to check it out. We will have to come on this here. Now still 29% is installed, so of course we will have to wait here. It's working but very slow, so let's see. We will wait here. 42% is completed, so we will have to wait here. Maybe especially here, guys, network is not coming proper, that's why having the problem, so we will have to wait here. Yes, we will have to wait. I don't know why it's taking much more time. Now almost 50% is we have done. Still it's taking time, guys, here. I don't know why this browser is taking time. Maybe internet is not coming sufficient, so that's why actually, or internet speed is not good, maybe that's why. 60 of approximately 2% or so remaining. The 40% we will have to wait here. Let's wait. We will have to wait here, guys. I don't know how slow it is. It's too much slow, guys, here. Almost now 20% is remaining. Just we will have to wait here, guys. These things step by step you will have to execute, so now it's time to wait here. Still 10% is remain, so I don't know, guys, sometimes maybe it's dependent on the server, so let's see. Now it's installing. Almost we have done, so it's scarcely 5 minutes more, we will have to go for further. It's install. Let it. Before in the opening here, just what we have to do, guys, we will have to once again come in the Chrome browser, and thereupon of course we will come in especially here on Chrome, and thereupon we will hit on here. We will come in the default browser setup, so where it is. Now it's already disabled, make it, and thereupon of course we will come in here, quick browser. Let's wait. Files, of course we will go for allow, we will go for try. Just to see, it's taking time for loading. Yes, we will go for open it. So now we will back on a home, and of course we will come here. We will write in a search bar Google. Fine, we will go for continue. Google, we will write here sign in. Let's see. First we will have to write here, guys, google.com, google.co. Let's see now. Still it's loading, guys. Now it's open, guys, here finally. Now it's Camona. Just we will have to write here Google, and now we came here. So finally, see here, guys, we came on this. Now we will go for here, right here, Jack, and P, and of course we will go for next now. Now here is also asking the password. Of course we will click on a forget. Now see, it's difficult, but of course now it's asking the here we don't have a number. Now here try again, don't click on a try again, guys. Simply we will cut it from here, and upon what we will do, simply we will have to come in a settings now. After coming the setting, of course we will come in a Google service. So of course we will have to come on here, and upon of course we will click on a help, and upon of course we will click on a search bar. We will write here stolen or lost device or lost phones. Now we will pick a first one, and upon we will go for here, scroll, last one, pick it, recover your account. We'll go for tips and tips to a complete recovery page. Just we will click on here. So now this, of course we will go for, let's click on here. Now here is asking so that which browser you would like to prefer. Then of course we will go for quick browser files. Now see, guys, automatically it's gone, and now it's asking here to enter this ID that we will write here, this ID. Now we will go for here next. Now directly we would be here, and as we see here, don't click on a continue. Just we will have to go for update password. Just we will have to just pick this one. Now here is a giving opportunity by virtue of especially Google on this ID particular that create a strong password. Here of course you can create the strong password, otherwise of course indirectly you can skip, guys, and after skipping directly you can recover your ID, and upon of course you can go for changing your Gmail recovery ID, or you can have also your particular registered mobile number you can add here, and upon you can set as a set of your Gmail ID. So how easily we have gotten an opportunity to especially recover it here. How easily, guys. So right now on the live especially we cannot create the strong password here because this is a screen recorded, but of course a similar strategy you can go for, and upon you can recover your Gmail ID. Little bit this browser will give you disturbance, but of course finally after all your ID will be yours. So no pan no gain, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. To know more information, for further any updates, Don't forget like, subscribe and share up these contents, because this is the thing that will inspire me to make such as informative tutorial, guys. And any inquiry, of course, raise the query below the comment box. And this is only for education purpose. Don't misuse it, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.